Today we're going to be growing 4 legs of love, sprouts for dogs and people. We're going to be using an easy sprout. 4 legs contains a wide variety of seeds, beans, leafy sprouts like alfalfa and clover particularly, and broccoli sprouts, as well as some oats. It's a unique blend, and typically we sprout leafy sprouts or broccoli sprouts 5 or 6 days, but in this case this whole mix is only going to sprout for less than 2 days. So let's soak some seeds in an easy sprout. The easy sprout comes with multiple pieces. We're leaving the flat lids out here. This is the small seed insert, and since we have small seeds in 4 legs, we'll snap this in the bottom. Listen for the snap. Then we decide how much seed to grow. Little pouch. You can grow as much as 2 cups of dry seed at once. It'll fill the sprouter all the way, but it can be done. Our dog, Ira, is a very small guy, so we only sprout like a 1/4 cup at a time, and that lasts him about 10 days. You can prep the seeds by rinsing some water through them. It never hurts. That just washes off any dust from the processing of the seeds as they've been cleaned. You know, they grow in pods and all sorts of things on the farm. So by the time you get them, they've been cleaned a lot. But then we just fill it up. We're using cool water, no warmer than the cool side of tepid. Swish this so all the seeds get contacted with water. You cannot overfill. You can bring the water all the way up to here if you want. This is more than enough. Like I say, the seeds will be up about here when we're done soaking. So put the dough lid on upside down to keep things out, and then I will just put it on my counter and let it sit for 8 to 12 hours. Seeds have grown all the way to here. And here's the top of the water. Here's the seeds. They were down here, so they've doubled in size. And now we're going to drain them by lifting out the growing container. And we can put this water on a plant, which I'm going to do right now. You can use that water any way you want. You can consume it, you can use it in soups or whatever. I just put it on plants. We make a lot of that water. So now, just rinse that out. So now just rinsing. Cool water. Okay, that's plenty thorough. Did I do it already? Oh, there it is. Okay, so in draining the easy sprout, put the lid in to increase support. So when you're spinning, it holds better. Without the lid, it squeezes and it's harder. Took me years to figure this out. I'm feeling for water. I can also just watch the rim of the sink but it's amazing. There's still more. Okay, that's quite adequate. Especially because of the small seeds and forelegs, we have to be thorough about our draining. When water's left behind after a rinsing, the tiniest amount of water can encapsulate a small seed and basically keep it from germinating. With beans and grains, larger grains, that's not a concern because you'd have to leave a lot of water to really hurt those seeds. But with the little seeds, it takes no effort at all to leave too much water. So as one of you has told me, I should change this from drain thoroughly to drain maniacally. And that's the secret to a good crop, I kid you not. The elevated position, not recessed, but elevated. See, look at this little extra water. Still had extra water after all that draining. Got some germination happening. Some of the little seeds, some of the lentils are splitting. Some have little tails. Not much, but 12 hours from now, they'll be done. So just a rinse. Cool water. That's all that's needed. Then a drain. Lentil. 12 hours later, let's see what we've got. Now you can't get rid of this. A little extra water, very little. And we've got roots that is just what we want. This is just what we want. Everybody's sprouted. The alfalfa is tiny. The broccoli is tiny. The lentils have these beautiful tiny sprouts on them. The mung beans. Just perfect. This is the way I like it. So it's dry and I can harvest it now. That's all there is to it. That's 4 legs of love. And I just use a plastic bag just like we send seeds in. And moving this is easy. Put the whole easy sprout in there. That's really all there is to it. That is 4 legs of love. Keep it simple. Keep it small. Your dogs will prefer it, and it's just exceptional. Packed with nutrition and delicious. Try it yourself. Dogs and people. 4 legs of love for dogs and people. Happy sprouting. We'll be feeding Ira now. He's a little dog. That's about what he gets. Tonight he's eating raw ground turkey from our friends at Eco Laws. Gets a third of a cup. He eats other meals during the day. This is his main meal. It's a snack in the morning and one at night. It's kind of like second dinner. So I just put the sprouts down, and then I just pick up the sprouts with the turkey. And then I just squish them together. Then I wash my hands very thoroughly. This is where you get, this is dangerous. Working with raw poultry and sprouts at the same time is not cool. Okay, so that's it. That's Ira's meal. We'll pick up all these sprouts that are in here. And let's see what he thinks. Go, Big Eye. Will you eat with this thing next to you? You won't hurt